Hey guys, this is Gadget Guru and welcome back for another video on my channel. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then do so right away by clicking the subscribe button. My guess is that you were searching for what kind of video doorbell to get and ended up on this video. Don't worry, you're in the right place, and in this video I'm going to show you an amazing doorbell that's very easy to set up and very easy to use. Normally, when you would want to look through the door to see who's at your door, you would look through the peephole. And this video doorbell is designed to replace your existing peephole with a modern video doorbell. Let's see what we have in the box. It's the user manual first up. We have the indoor display unit. Next, we have the outdoor camera doorbell unit. Within the box, we have a battery charger, 2 batteries, a set of screws, a charging cable, and a plug. First up, let's look at the outdoor camera unit. This unit has a doorbell button, a camera in the center, and 2 infrared LEDs on either side. At the back, it has the connecting cable that goes to the indoor unit. Let's look at the indoor unit. The indoor unit has the power button in the center, left and right navigation buttons on either side, menu button on the left, and gallery button on the right to see what photos and videos you've recorded using this doorbell. At the back, we have a back plate that we can use to attach the doorbell to the inside of your door. And behind the back plate, we have the connector point for the outdoor unit to connect to the indoor unit. So first up, let's go ahead and connect the outdoor unit to the indoor unit, which you can simply do by gently pressing the connector from the outdoor unit onto the indoor unit. And that's it, the two are connected. Next, let's go ahead and insert a battery. With that done, your outdoor unit is now connected to your indoor unit. Let's go ahead and see how this works. For this demo, I'm going to place an action figure in front, and I'm going to use this action figure to simulate a visitor at your door. And I'm going to go ahead and press the bell button on the outdoor unit, and let's see how the indoor unit responds to it. You can see that immediately when I pressed on the bell button, the indoor unit powered on, and it now shows the view from the camera on the outdoor unit. So whenever you have a visitor who clicks on your doorbell, you'll automatically see the screen on the indoor unit light up and show you what's going on outside your house. This unit also has motion detection, so you can set the indoor unit to go on every time the outdoor unit detects motion, even if nobody rings a bell. And you can also press on the power button on the indoor unit every time you want to have a view of what's going on outside your house. So that's how easy it is to use this video doorbell. You also have a host of settings that you can use to adjust the configuration of this device, such as language, recording mode, whether you want to capture photos or videos, motion detection, screen off time, ringer on off, ringer type, ringing volume, date and time, and you can see the software version, and also format the memory card if you have installed one. By default, this unit does not come with a memory card, and you can get one from Amazon.in for use with this indoor unit. Without a memory card, you will not be able to save photos and videos, but you will still be able to see what's going on outside your house. Now let's go ahead and see how this unit can be installed. The first thing you need to do is decide which of these 3 screws you're going to use for setting up your video doorbell. You only need to use one of these 3 screws, and which one to use is determined by the thickness of your door. I'm going to use this simple box to simulate a door with a hole for the peephole. So you can go ahead and remove the existing peephole unit, and then check the thickness of each of the screws to see which one would fit best. For me, the longest one would be too long and the shortest one would be too short. So the medium length one is the one that I'm going to use, and the first thing you want to do is attach the screw to the back of the outdoor unit, right in the hole that you see here. Screw it in. You don't need to screw it in all the way, we'll tighten it later. Just enough to keep it in place. Next, you want to pass the cable as well as the screw from the outdoor unit through the hole that your door would already have for the existing peephole. Once you've done that, you now need to pass the cable from the outdoor unit through the slot in the back plate. The back plate mentions which side is up, so you need to take care of that. And then simply pass the cable through the back plate, and also pass the back plate through the screw at the back, just like that. Once you've done that, you can tighten the screw all the way using a star-shaped screwdriver. Once you've done that, you now need to connect the cable from the outdoor unit to the back of the indoor unit, just as we did before, by simply pressing on it gently and connecting the two together. There we go. And as a last step, you simply need to align the 4 slots on the back of the indoor unit with the 4 grooves on the back plate and slide them into place. Once you've done that, you can see that both your indoor unit as well as your outdoor unit are connected together to the door, and every time the bell rings on the outdoor unit, it's going to light up the indoor unit and show you what's going on outside. So that's how easy it is to set up and install this video doorbell. This video doorbell is by Auxtron and it's available on Amazon India as well as on the Auxtron website. The link to purchase this is available in the video description. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do leave your feedback in the comments. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to the channel.